West Karbi Anglong Ronghang Rongbong Arong Arak Along Aruni Pai Kep Ari Rakom Rani Karbi Richo Ok Pru Lapen Aruni Pai Krep Pu Arni Habi Pin Pu Ningkane Segama Pike Padu Jepan Kachisi West Karbi Anglong Sadgaon Pator Complex along the Northeast Institute of Technical Education for Computer Asike Kipia Dim Kangpu Puluni Langtuk Terang Arong Mongol Sing Terang Ahem Afisuda Longpen Apu Hina Piru Kelong News time along pen kajogowi phanda kardom bajar iglong nan bir tang ton pen arjek tha karbiri cho pen kachipa phu pon ning kanwang son thak thak si karbi nimorkom ateng pen karbiri cho ok phruwa phan aruni phai kep arni hot pon tanglo ronghang rongbong rong rak along karbiri cho tum ning kan sek pen iphong ning ni ning ot kachi jola pen karbiri rakom rani pen ok ki phru jia phan amlong aroi tereng abi atheke karbiri cho mate lindok potum aru bolong si ki prujia pharche siklo lapen boha basuna bangke minikur along si pathik pon lo pasi card news sa hemalong birta nangli Karbi Rakom Rani Ok Pru Mate Karbi Richo Ok Pru along Karbi Anglong Arat Doan Nili Blumba Jong Pen Chenglok Pragjam along Ri along Kedo Kilang Dunji Ning Ke Hangatum Ansitame Kachitong Dun Petja Phan Karbi Richo Ram Sing Rong Hang Pen Rada Phan Pachini Lapenan Parta Rong Hang Rong Bong Rong Arak Karbia Dorbar Asa Hemalong Aruni Pai Krep Po Arni Karbi Customary Law Mate Bisar Kindar Amo Ansusika Pang Tang Japan Lapen Karbia Khayan Susi Kachorai Kom Thek Japan Pura Pinpo Habe Krung Sai Maya Theke Nikani Seka Mai Pi Pinpo Habe Doan Lapen Nili Blumba Jong Kedo An Rongsar Ropasar An Parta Manpeng Kedo Karbia Tum Ansatame Kachitong Dun Petja Phanta Karbi Richo Pen Kachuning Ripon Pado West Karbi Anglong Sadgaon Pator Complex along Aruni Pioneer Kep Arni the Northeast Institute of Technical Education for Computer Asike Kipia Dim Kangpupona Birta Card News sa Hemalong Pherang Kipen Birta nang pali Computer Asike Kipia Dim Kangpupon Amailong Director Ranjiti Mungpen Kachup Hempupon Amailong Alhui Sarpo Amanpen Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank Sadgaon Branch Manager Biswaji Rochi Tongdun Lapen Labang So Amailong Kachup Hapon Alhui Amanpen Robin Inghi Ladarson Sangma Thonison Kramsa Mohori Deratum Sitame Chitongdun Sadgaon Ahavar Arat Lapen Sadgaon Pen Angtan Kedo Computer Ki Charlie Jia Phan Barsai Long Ponpo Labangso Computer Asike Kipipona Dimalong Diploma in Computer Fundamental Diploma in Computer Computer Professional Accounting Computer Teacher Training Course Diploma in Computer Application Programming Schema Take Charlie Avar Salong Ponji Pusi Director Ranjit Timungpen Than Pachini An Parta Non Obi Kimiari Sui Jangatum Ansike Charlie Nathu Ki Prangdun Thek Japan Nilisitame Ke Thek Lapen Kachini Ansike Kipipon Pami Japan Bor Ipon Poputa Director Timungpen Pherangkia Phan Than Pachini
Center. So one of the renowned professional institute in Karbi Anglong is the name MEIT. The name MEIT is established on 4 September 2008 with a mission to uplift for community for of reasons. The primary objective of the NEIT is to make every person computer education and other technical professional who is educated and unemployed for the rural area, giving them computer knowledge and self-dependence. So, making your dreams come true, and that means student satisfaction is our motto.
Hamren Hiti Kimialong Aruni Pai Troxy Arni Tili Krehini Rachitim Apor Malom Biren Borapu Inut Hamren Reserve Police along Raikom Saiki Karbia Sarpimara Phan Otlangno Kachoma Thajia Phan Kabor Iajok Sarpimara Tum Thurpa Birta Kirip Dunlong Atenke Biren Bora a police Karbi Pia Kulat along Ludamsi Ot Kachipalang no Saiki claim Japan Kabor Iajok Hurchorutlo Afi Sarpimar Doanato Men Menchepengsi Bora Phan Pin An Hiti Munit Ang Lumalong Pathar name si Hamren Police Station along Lamhoi Pidamlong Alang Lipan Lamhoi Kipia Teng Take Case number 22 2018 under section 448 354 IPC Henlo Lamhoi along Kipipona Tenke Nonamat Adai Kido Abang Puapan Nep Ing Nang Vek Nangji Kai si Hem Kang Sang Beng Nangji Lapen Kipuabang Piapan Nong Kipa Junua Pot Kirak Pajir Vek Nangji Pusi Kijong Podopon Kat News Apherang Ke Hundor Krorapen Jesanihi Atum Nang Kilobirta Non Malam Sopor Pandina Parman Birta Munto Pariksina
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. and grocery items.
Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge, HRSJ Complex, 2nd floor, Dharamnala Road, Difu, Karbi Anglong. The first and ever sports lounge in town. Tune you out with live music, Dead to Inject, Jam Pad, and pool game where you can play with friends or play with legends, along with seafood items like octopus, lobster, prawns, squid, tuna fish, and many more are available only at Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge. For reservation, contact 9957381813 or 8638462619 or 8812998125.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dina mo pi pathat bir dalong wang thulo phuluni langtuk terang arong aruni pioneer cap ani adap apor malong mongol sing terang ahem official along pen aphu hinya phiru kelong bir tanangle birta kelong jun atengke mongol sing terang ahem official along pena ana por pen kupini project kareng asi arjulong si langdam rin tilong lasor ke langdam hut fishery along ke project a phiru theklong si fishery along pen terang asang ho pajok dun pen hokjuta along an ponlo alang litum pen aphu hini ke do phiru theklong si pen ana tum ke lang chingrum rin tilo la sopu thagrat tuma phan ke pachini jila pen ke palang jia phan pura kat news along alang litum pen si birta nang palelo Borpathar Police Station angkang aruni phai troxy arni kang sam por phai phoa por malom difu pen rangsali ahem ka chidam bom mithang Maruti 800 akarp AS05A 0869 Deopani Banaspati Tea Garden malom ihum pang thek attract ki patong tekang ajok kar hem pho anan teron lapen biren terang achor rekha kiling pia tum ahiring tangrak aring hukiso patong tekang dead pen api towar kedam ke bang atum machok ta kirap dun abang ka dead pen der kroya PC bokojan CHC along ponlo Rekha Killing P abang kiswa hiring tangrak ajok Dimapur and 108 pen kidam bom mahur atithia avedetlo halapu kar ahem phu abang kiso langpon bom lang Rekha Killing P aphan ke munit atum kirap dun atum keder pen ajok si akran kidam nang pata doktor atum ningje Birta Bangila Panskang Ton Poriklo Dumi Thakmi Kurwang Tu